Having a tough time cleaning? We understand some stains are just tedious to clean off. Meet the daily maintenance specialty duo. The 3M Glass Cleaner and Protector eliminates common problems like fingerprint retention and grease stains with just one wipe. It is streak-free, dries fast, and on glass surfaces reduces fogging. It works just like a heavy-duty glass cleaner, and with added Scotchgard protection, eases maintenance after daily repeated use. For effective cleaning of steel surfaces, the 3M Stainless Steel Cleaner and Protector leaves no greasy buildup with a 100% water-based and oil-free formula. Also, with an added layer of Scotchgard protection, it protects stainless steel surfaces against soil, dust, and oily residues, preventing surface corrosion over daily repeated uses. Quick, effective, easy. Let 3M take daily cleaning to the next level.